This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Connie Kim. Beautiful 3-bed/2-bath, second floor condominium located in the highly desirable Lakeside community in the Lakes of Windermere. Ready to move in, the home is well maintained. Featuring an open floor plan with an abundance of natural light, newer interior paint, and newer carpet. The kitchen comes equipped with newer appliances, granite countertops providing plenty of space, wood cabinets, and a convenient walk-in pantry. Relax on your very own private screened-in balcony. The spacious master bedroom with a walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom with a dual vanity sink. Washer and dryer included. Convenient trash valet, place your trash right on the bench near the front door. The building also has an elevator. Take advantage of other community amenities, such as the clubhouse, fitness center, sparkling community pool, volleyball court, and barbecue area. Great location, only minutes from theme parks, major highways, shopping, dining, and entertainment. No pets, no smoking. Water and trash collection included. For more information, review the details below.